Okay guys, welcome to another video on Jack's Days. As you can see, I'm not on my main account, so I'm still here. Make sure you follow it. I'm coming to 100 followers. See, I have like nearly 100 followers right now. And so yeah, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to glitch some things in Ninja Legends. This is my alt account, which I used to play on. But I have other alt accounts. I've got too many friends, and I've left this one because I don't play in this anymore. So let's go into profile, and I'll show you how old this is. It's not that old. I think it's like in 2017. I had some Robux in it. I have 3 Robux left. Yeah, I used to play Ninja Legends, I think. Yeah, so in January 2017. So that's like 3 years ago. This is 3 years old. Okay, I don't want that. Okay, I don't know what the greatest streamer is anymore. Joking. Yeah, 3 Robux. And we're going to be playing let's go on here, let's go to, come on, Ninja Legends, there we go. New update. I know I haven't been recording in a while, because I have to be doing a lot of grinding, and I tried to do this video on my normal account. Oh yeah, this is voice reveal, by the way. I forgot to say voice reveal. And basically, I did it all wrong. So I'm going to show you how to do it on this. I think I'm a bit high. Hopefully I've got some pets who wasn't poo. Yeah, it's going to be a short video. So yeah. Right, let's check what pet. I have kind of good pets, and that's not good at all. Let's see who'll trade me some pets. So let's do this. Yeah, I don't care about this. Okay, so I have this, I have this, I have this, I have this. Let's see what they can offer. Oh, please. Oh, come on, bro. Come on, you got this. Oh, yes! Oh, yes! There we go, got an immortal. Not that good. It's good for Star Surge died. Rip. Anyway, so let's try and get into this video. So, I am a complete noob on this. I haven't played in this account in a while. Looks not that good. But yeah, let's try. And before, when I was playing on this account when I joined this, it was nothing like this. But like, let's go on to buy items, belts, buy all, then buy all. Right, okay. So I should, yeah, I get quite a lot actually for a noob. Right, let's just quickly do this. Right, we can already rank up, but we need to get higher to the thing, so yeah, I'll see you when I get there. Okay guys, we are back, and we reached to, got 1 billion ninjas reward. Reached to this island, and someone traded me an extra pet, thank you for that, whoever it was, and I'm not going to do the highest one. This glitch works with the highest one. Basically, so what you got to do is, right, you got to wait for the one to start. So let's just wait for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 6. By the way, I'm like here, or probably here for my ranks. Okay, so join the door. Then you don't want to die. Buy. Then you buy. Right. So then that should send you to here. Okay? And then, what you need to do is, all you need to do, wait, no, because nobody joined, right, let me just grind a little bit more, and I'll be back. Okay guys, done, press yes, press yes, right, we've got to try and escape, do not get killed. I mean, we're almost dead. Come on. 4, 3, 2. Wait, no guys, I think I've done it wrong. I don't know actually. Oh yeah, we need to buy now. Buy. Now we gotta wait. So let's just, while we're waiting, let's just buy all this. Then, we can't actually buy all actually. So we can actually click off this right now. And yeah, we just wait. Keep waiting. He says how many he's got. These are level. These are oh, yeah. Ooh, 1. There we go. And then we teleport to the island, and we just unlocked it. So you can do this with higher islands. So be sure to do it. And whenever you're at the highest one, which is the gold one right now, you can keep teleporting there if you do this glitch. It's easy, and you get free gems. Bye guys. Wee.